Hello everyone. For this Unit 5 discussion, I selected IBM's article, What is Enterprise Resource Planning? Because it connects directly to this week's reading on achieving operational excellence, customer intimacy, and enterprise applications. The article explains ERP as a business management software system that helps organizations manage, streamline, and integrate major business processes such as finance, human resources, procurement, supply chain, inventory, production, and reporting. In simple terms, ERP helps a company stop operating in disconnected silos and start working from one shared system of information. This relates strongly to chapters 9 and 10 because the readings emphasize that enterprise applications are designed to coordinate business processes across the entire organization. Laudon and Laudon explained that enterprise systems help firms integrate data from many functional areas, so managers and employees can make better decisions based on consistent information. Bourgeois also explains that information systems create value when they improve business processes, support decision-making, and help organizations operate more efficiently. ERP is a good example of this because it supports the internal side of the business by connecting departments that often depend on each other, but may not always communicate effectively. One major theme from reading is operational excellence. Operational excellence means improving the way work is performed so the organization can reduce waste, avoid duplication, increase accuracy, and respond faster. For example, without an ERP system, a company may have finance using one system, human resources using another, and inventory management using a separate spreadsheet. That can lead to delays, errors, and confusion, because employees may be working from different versions of the truth. While with ERP, the data is centralized, which means transactions can update across departments in real time. If inventory levels change, purchasing, accounting, and operations can all see the change more quickly. This allows leaders to plan better, control costs, and make decisions based on accurate data. Another important point is that ERP systems support process standardization. A business process is a set of related tasks that produce a specific result. When each department has its own process, the organization may struggle with consistency. Enterprise systems help standardize these processes so employees follow the same rules, use the same data, and complete work in a more predictable way. This is especially important for organizations that operate across different locations, departments, or regions. A standardized system can help leadership compare performance, identify bottlenecks, and improve accountability. The second major theme is customer intimacy. Although ERP is often viewed as an internal system, it still affects the customer experience. Customers may never see the ERP system directly, but they may experience the results of it. For example, if an organization has accurate inventory data, it can provide better delivery estimates. If finance and sales information are connected, billing issues may be resolved faster. If operations and customer service have access to reliable information, employees can answer customer questions with more confidence. This connects to the broader concept of customer relationship management, or CRM, which focuses on managing interactions with customers and potential customers. Together, ERP and CRM can help a company understand both its internal operations and its external customer relationships. The IBM article also highlights how ERP supports automation and integration. Automation matters because it reduces manual work, and integration matters because it connects data across the organization. However, it is important to remember that technology alone does not guarantee success. Enterprise applications require planning, training, leadership support, and change management. If employees do not understand the system, or if the business does not redesign weak processes, the technology may not deliver the expected benefits. This is why implementation is just as important as the software itself. A practical example would be a retail company using ERP to manage purchasing, inventory, payroll, and financial reporting. If a product sells quickly, the ERP system can help managers see that demand, reorder inventory, update financial projections, and support staffing decisions. At the same time, customer-facing systems can help the company understand buying patterns and personalized marketing. This shows how enterprise applications support both operational excellence and customer intimacy. The organization becomes more efficient internally while also becoming more responsive externally. In conclusion, IBM's article reinforces that main idea from this week's reading. Enterprise applications help organizations use information more strategically. ERP systems are valuable because they integrate business processes, improve access to reliable data, support better decision making, and help organizations operate more efficiently. When combined with customer-focused systems such as CRM, enterprise applications can also strengthen customer relationships. Overall, operational excellence and customer intimacy are not separate goals. They work together when organizations use information systems to connect people, processes, and data across the business.